Alright, I'm about to teach y'all how to sound like OG Eternal Take Uzi on BandLab. Or basically the vocal presets needed to do that, and fair warning, I'm not gonna sound exactly like him. But before we get into it, please make sure you subscribe. I'd really appreciate it, and it really helped me out. Thank you. Let's get into it.
I knew you were fake from the jump. You know I can spot it from the gut. Cause you know Lil Uzi in the cut. All we want is money and the drugs.
First you'll need a noise gate, then the BL1176, then graphic EQ, then the de-esser, then filter echo, then multi-filter, EQ3M, and space maker. Alright, I'd like to thank y'all for watching, and please make sure you subscribe. That's about it.